That's just a mush.
That's some spicy mush.
Maybe I ranked them too high. those rice balls. Maybe I have already screwed up my ranking scale. Please don't do a close-up of this.
You're actually doing really well.
This is looking great.
I mean, compared to what, Patrick? Compared to what am I doing this well? Oh my god. Oh god. No.
Oh.
Oh no.
Steam Poggy.
It looks so bad.
Okay.
Oh no. What about the chicken?
Milky.
Good. Yeah, it's. We're just drinking milk with carrots in it. Let me try the pumpkin. Let's see if it's any different. Nope, it's the same. Fuck. If you say more than 3 hearts, I'm firing you.
It just tastes like honey. Oh, there's the fish. Okay. 2 hearts. 2 hearts, 2 hearts.
Look at this green carrot.
The mussels, you ready to do this?
Let's do this. Oh, now that is milk and meat. Together at last.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the long boy. Oh, it's still crunchy. Drip. All right. It's very drippy.
I inhaled some. Oh. Shall we?
Cheers. I don't hate it. I really don't.
I just wish it was something else.
It's chunky. Looks like a beef patty. It looks
We just cooked a fruitcake that looks like it'd be served at McDonald's. Quickly.
I'm feeling upset that I've eaten like 70 dishes so far.
We've only got 10 left, and one of them is this, and we can look forward to that.
Stop pointing to it. This is the poultry pilaf.
Okay. We didn't have the ability to do a real egg pudding, so I kind of just made sweet scrambled eggs. Oh my god. It's so much food I expect to be one way, and it is so not that way.
It's just very unpleasant. -6.
This will hurt you so much. Let's have something that's slightly better, namely mushrooms and apples. This is our hot fruit and mushroom mix. I can take one for the team and just have this.
We both gotta suffer.
Those do not blend together.
That's very 2 distinct flavors.
They are at war in my mouth.
All right.
I just am so full. Yeah, just go ahead and break that in half for me. Oh my lord.
What the fuck did you do?
Exactly what it told us to do, Patrick. It looks like a slice of brain. I will put it out there. The last one. We can do it.
Please don't ever ask me to do this again.
Okay.
You know, it could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. I'm gonna swallow it, but
Yeah, it could have been way worse.